Well, go on FPV peeps. I hope everybody's good. Gonna do a little lunchtime rip. It's nothing serious. Pretty decent guys come out here and ride bikes, scramblers, street bikes, all that. I ain't chasing no bikes. I ain't going that level yet. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little lunchtime rip. I'm gonna work on my barrel roll. Somebody pointed out I don't keep the center centered. So no pressure. Just gonna try a little bit of that, have a little bit of fun, you know. I don't know if you guys follow your boy 8-Bit Christ.
Throttle warning. Switch warning.
8-Bit Christ on Instagram. Yeah, doesn't do too much, but I really like that how he doesn't fly with a lot of people. He does fly with people sometimes, but not a lot. And he doesn't fly like extravagant locations. They're normally just parks, but he flies pretty much every day, you know, which is an inspiration because it's so easy to get caught up in this FPV life. Gotta do the best trick, outdo this person or outdo that person, or gotta, you know, you always feel like you gotta up it. But they said I like him because you really don't. All you have to do is fly. You're doing it for yourself, you know, not for anybody else. So yeah, anyway, enough said. We're all ready to go. See if we got some ripping in. Okay. Whee. I really want to get this audio in there, right? Let's move this. I want to get the audio in there so you can hear me because I get real excited. Oh shit. And just like that, practice your reel and fuck up your only props you got. Jesus Christ. What the hell? Ah! The only fucking props I'm got. First fucking. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.